When do we use a capital letter? First rule, use a capital letter for the first letter in a sentence. Example, the dog is barking, come here. Second rule, always use a capital letter for the word I. Example, I am 10 years old. Tom and I are good friends. Rule 3. Use a capital letter for the names of people. Example, Smith, John, Ajay, etc. Rule number 4. Use a capital letter for the names of places. Example, National Museum, Zoo, London, New York, etc. Rule number 5. Use a capital letter for festivals, holidays, days of the week, months of the year. Example, New Year's Day, Christmas, Mother's Day, Ramjan, Diwali, Sunday, Monday, etc. That is days of the week, January, February, March, etc. These are months of the year. Rule number 6. Use a capital letter for names of languages. Example, English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, French, German, etc. Rule number 7. Use a capital letter for names of important buildings or monuments. Example, Red Fort, Taj Mahal, Charminar, etc. Rule number 8. Use a capital letter for names of newspapers and titles of books. Example, The Hindu, The Indian Express, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, etc. Rule number 9. Use a capital letter for names of countries and people who belong to the country. Example, country India and the people living in that country called as Indians. Identify the letters that should be capitals. First one, John and I are good friends. I always should be capital letter, so underline I. Second one, we are going to Delhi during our summer vacation. Here Delhi is name of a place, so underline letter D. Third one, there is an interesting football game on Sunday. First letter always should be capital, so underline T. Next, Sunday is day of the week, so it is also should be capital letter, so S underline. Next, fourth one, January is the first month of the year. Months of the year also should be capital letters, so underline J. Fifth one, we celebrate Diwali every year. First letter of a sentence should be capital letter, so underline W here. Next, Diwali is name of festival, so here D letter should be capital letter. Next, sixth one, Hindi is our national language. Hindi is name of a language, so here H should be capital letter. Seventh one, today is Sunday. First letter of a sentence should be capital letter, so underline T. Sunday, Sunday is name of the week, so underline here S. Eighth one, every year we celebrate Christmas on 25th December. First letter of the sentence should be capital letter, so underline E. Next, Christmas is name of a festival, so underline here C. Next, December is name of the month, so underline D. Don't forget to like this video and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.